everyone, welcome to another beautiful night of railpen in Tennessee. Tonight, we have a northbound Norfolk Southern Manifest train, and it's 196, originating from the bus yard in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Its destination is East Wayne Yard, Norfolk Southern Freight Division in Fort Wayne, Indiana. NS 196 is now moving at a moderate speed of about 15 miles per hour. Since we are still near the bus yard, trains must follow an FRA mandated speed limit prior to the crossing gate, not to exceed 20 miles per hour. As NS 196 gradually increases its speed, it will be going about 40 miles per hour by the time we see Fred. And he will soon see its speed limit 50 miles per hour once he hits the open road. His first stop is 292 miles out at the Plain Yard in Georgetown, Kentucky, where a crew change will take place. On board, 196 will continue on to make another stop at Jet Street Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio, where it will wait and allow train tracks to clear several blocks before making its final 278-mile leg journey towards its destination, East Wayne Yard, Fort Wayne, Indiana. This is where it will be reclassified as parts of 196 will interchange with Union Pacific consist. Fort Wayne is a node conversion point for three major lines that come from Detroit, Michigan, Chicago, Illinois, and train traffic comes from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Fort Wayne is also home to Triple Crown Logistic Road Railers. Its main line is at the west end of Norfolk Southern's Pitway Yard. Well guys, that's all for tonight. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for me. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Alex and I'll see you next time.